Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about constants. Constant means constants are the fixed values which cannot be changed during the execution of the program. What are constants? Constants are the fixed values that do not change during the execution of the program. C supports several types of constants. C supports several types of constants. Some of are numeric constants and character constants. If you see numeric constants, there are integer constants. Here you can see. Primarily, C constants are categorized into two types. What are they? Primary constants and secondary constants. In the primary constants, you can see integer constant, real constant, character constant. In secondary constant, array, pointer, structure, union and enum. Okay. So these are etc. are the secondary constants. If you see here, you can see here constants primary. In primary we won't talk about secondary constants. These secondary constants will be discussed at the time we are learning about user defined data types. Okay. Here just learn about these primary constants. In primary constants, numeric constants and non-numeric constants. In a numeric constants, what are the integer constant and real constant? In integer constant, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Decimal means what? We all know decimal means related to 10. Decimal points. Octal means what? 8 decimals. Hexa means what? 16 decimals. If you see real constants, fixed order, scientific order. Scientific means here 23 exponential minus 5 is what? Here this denotes the number of zeros before 23. Okay. Here 45 E means what? Exponent. 8 means what? 45. After 45 you will see 8 zeros. Here non-numeric means a single character. In single character we will be having string constants, single character and string constants. You can see. Let us learn about numeric constants. In numeric constants, integer constant means an integer constant is a signed or unsigned whole number. Example, minus 23 plus 346 46. All integers. Okay. We all know integers, right? That only integer constant. Whatever the number we want, we can take. C language supports an integer constant in octal base. Octal means what? Base 8. Decimal base means what? Base 10. And hexadecimal means what? Base 16. The default number system followed in C language is the decimal base 10. Defaultly it will take as decimal 10 only. Okay. An octal number is preceded by 0 and exact number is preceded by this symbol. What is this symbol? OX or O capital X. Okay. This is what? This is about integer constant. If we see here real constant. Real constant means what? The default form of a real constant is double. Means we can call it as a double number. Integer means only integers. There are no decimal values there. Here you can see the default form of real constant is a double and it must have a decimal point. In integral constants just integer, no decimals. Whereas in real constants we are having decimals. Okay, you can represent the negative numbers in the real constants. It may be in fractional form or exponential form. Fractional means what? Fractional means which is in the form of p by q, means 4 by 7 like that. Okay. Or exponential form means what? Just now we will discuss. This is the exponential form. Means 0.3 e minus 5 means what? Before that 5 zeros will be seen. Okay. This is about what? Real constant. If we see single character constant. A single character constant contains a single character enclosed with a pair of single quotes mark. Means whatever it may be a number, it may be a symbol, but it should be enclosed with what? Within a single quotes. This single quotes like I will consider here D. whatever, or 7. Okay, single quotes, that is a single character constant. Okay, note that character constants 5 is not same as the number 5. Here difference is there. This is we call it as string constant. This is what integral constant. Okay, this is integral. This is integral, and this is what string. Single character. Sorry, single character constant. Single character constant. Observe the difference here. Okay. Now, if we see string constant means what? String constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. The character may be letters, numbers, blank spaces, and characters. Means what? Double quotes will be there. Group of characters. String means what? Group of characters, sequence of characters, or you can say here are group of characters. Group of characters. Here you can see hello, HELLO. Hello means what? Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters grouped together. So this type of constant we call it as string constant. Here you can see examples. Okay, it may be not a single number, bigger number, or any symbol, or any blank space also. If you see backslash character constant, in backslash character constant, all the alphabets will be preceded by a backslash. Here you can see in the figure, backslash A means what? It is alert. Alert means what? It will give a small sound. Okay, and backslash B means backspace. Backups one character. Many are there. Many will be there for backslash character constants. Here you can see some of the backslash T means what? Tab. We are having a tab key on the keyboard, right? In the same way, we can use backslash character constant. Whenever we use the constant, the program executes, the cursor will jump to the one tab space. Okay, this is about backslash character constants. Okay, this is about constants. In the next class, we will see about variables. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If you are having any doubts, go through all the points, make notes, and prepare well. Okay, in next class we will see. Thank you.